A large LED screen placed at the back of a stage is called a stage LED screen. It acts as a big, adjustable background that can display videos or images. Stage LED screens are becoming increasingly popular for a variety of events, from concerts and festivals to corporate presentations and sporting events. Specifications. Stage LED screens come in a variety of specifications, including size. Stage LED screens can range in size from a few meters to several tens of meters wide and tall. Pixel pitch. Pixel pitch refers to the distance between the centers of individual LEDs. A smaller pixel pitch results in a higher resolution image. Resolution. The resolution of a stage LED screen is determined by the number of pixels in the width and height of the screen. Brightness. Stage LED screens need to be bright enough to be seen clearly, even in brightly lit environments. Contrast ratio. The contrast ratio of a stage LED screen is the difference between the brightest and darkest colors that the screen can display. Features. Stage LED screens offer a number of features that make them a versatile tool for event producers, including high image quality. Stage LED screens can produce high-quality images with vivid colors and sharp details. Flexibility. Stage LED screens can be used to display a wide variety of content, including videos, images, text, and animations. Scalability. Stage LED screens can be scaled to fit the size of any stage or venue. Durability. Stage LED screens are built to withstand the rigors of constant use. Models and brands. There are many different models and brands of stage LED screens available on the market. Some of the popular brands include Epson, Unilumin, ROE Visual, Liontronics, Barco. When choosing a stage LED screen, it is important to consider your specific needs and budget. Applications. Stage LED screens are used in a wide variety of applications, including concerts and festivals, corporate presentations, sporting events, fashion shows, award ceremonies, nightclubs, houses of worship, and many more. Pros and cons. Pros. High image quality, flexibility, scalability, durability. Cons. Cost. Stage LED screens can be expensive to purchase or rent. Complexity. Stage LED screens can be complex to set up and operate. Availability and price. Stage LED screens are available for purchase or rent from a variety of vendors. The price of a stage LED screen will vary depending on the size, pixel pitch, resolution, brightness, and other features. A typical stage LED screen can cost anywhere from tens of thousands of dollars to hundreds of thousands of dollars. Installation. Cabinet assembly. If applicable, some screens come pre-assembled in cabinets, which need to be secured to the frame. Module installation. If applicable for screens without pre-built cabinets, individual LED modules are mounted onto the frame. Power and signal cable connection, connecting the screen to power source and video signal source. Calibration and testing, fine-tuning the image quality, brightness, and overall functionality of the screen. Safety considerations. Due to the weight, size, and electrical components involved, safety is paramount during installation. Here's why professional installation is recommended. Expertise in handling heavy equipment to safely lift and position the screens. Knowledge of electrical safety protocols to ensure proper power connection and avoid electrical hazards. Experience with calibration tools and software to achieve optimal image quality. If you're considering a stage LED screen, consulting with a professional AV, audiovisual, company is recommended. They can handle the entire process from initial quote to installation and ensure a safe, high-quality outcome.